Good evening, everyone. I'm Felix Early, the one of the students in Bachelor of Science in Genetic Engineering, and I'm currently a second year student in USTP University. And today, turuan mo how to manually plot the boundaries. And first thing you need to do is to go to your data or file nga gusto nimo i-plot. And karon we have a data from DNR, which is ang BL form V37 nga surveyed by Mr. Maximo Lazo. So, like as you can see, we have some technical descriptions, we have some assigned lines, bearings, distance, northing and easting. And karon kaning file is ato siyang i-input sa Excel. So, as you can see guys, we have inputted data na and kaning sign which is side which is ang ato ang direction north to east, degrees and minutes, which is ang 64 or 45 minutes. And after, ang next ani is ang magnitude. And lastly, the direction of each line. So, kani, kani atong i-plot sa atong AutoCAD. And then, after guys, is dapat you need to open your AutoCAD. Okay, diri na to siya plot and as you can see guys is nakahimo na ko og sketch plan daan which is diri na to ibutang ang atong BL form V-37. So before we start we need to copy the raw data from Excel. Copy this, Control C type, and then go back to your AutoCAD. And then first thing you need to do is to type PL, which is a polyline. Specify anywhere starting point, and then go to your command bar and then just copy, just paste what you have copy from the Excel. And then as you can see guys, na paste na siya but in a much smaller scale. So what we need to do is to trim some excess from our area. So how to trim? Just type the trim, select object that exists that you want to trim. So karon guys, ako na siyang na select and na ni siyang area sa atong V-37. So humana ta guys. And then after is we need to upload a file from Rory VF. And then I'll if mag-upload kag file is you need to type in your command bar the word upload, type enter, and then na mo pop up nga mga file, then tap the Rory VF file, load, and as you can see guys, successfully loaded na siya, and then close. Then after successfully loaded ang Rory VRF, you need to type TD, enter, and then select the points, specify anything dapat imong pa move ani guys is clockwise, and you need to really start from the bottom end point. You need to click the first point, after is to click downward, second point, upper left side, just connect each line lang guys, and connect each corner. As you can see, muna ang atong last nga kanikan, and then hit enter. And na siya mo gawas nga guys nga annotate the traverse, and then you will enter the yes specify height. So ato siyang i partially put 5, enter. And then guys, as you can see, nag-loading pa siya, and let's just wait for it to be finished. And then specify text height 5. Also unit is ano guys, we're using a unit of meter, so type kag m, enter. Specify type then click ka diya anywhere. As you can see guys, is nigawas na ang atong file from RoryVF. And then after is you need to select everything and type scale to make it bigger, so that we can adjust like so we can fit it with our then nato siyang i-arrange. So ato ning ikat ang kuan guys, okay. In the left side we have assigned data na, so sa atong line bearing and distance, so mo ni siya atong gamitan. So cut that, select this, type the command move, and then ibutang siya sa sulod. Type also the command move, and then mo siya guys, finish na ang atong manual boundary plotting and how to upload the file from RoryVF. Thank you guys, that's all.